How to create QR code for Google Form. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a QR code that directs user to a Google Form of your choice. It's a simple and quick process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go to the Google Forms, and once you are inside the Google Forms, you can either select an existing form or create a new one from scratch. For this video, I'll be using a form I created for a previous tutorial, but any Google form will work. Before proceeding, ensure your form is fully set up and functioning properly. And this way anyone who scans the QR code can access it without any issues. And once your form is ready, simply click on the publish button in the top right corner. As here you can see, I have already published this form. So I'm gonna simply tap on the copy icon shown beside the publish button in the top left corner. And from the pop-up menu, I'm gonna simply tap on shorten URL and just copy the link. And this is the link we will use to create the QR code. And now to generate the QR code for free, I recommend using Canva. So to do that, simply head over to the canva.com, which is a free designing tool. And once you are inside the Canva, simply click on create a design. And after that, simply click on custom size shown in the left side of the pop-up menu. And from there, simply enter 1080 into 1080 pixels. And this will create a square canvas for your QR code. And once you are in the design section, simply click on the apps shown in the bottom left corner of the menu. And once you are in the app section, simply search for QR code and simply click on the first option. Now open that, and once you have opened it, simply paste the sort in Google Form link that we have copied earlier and then click on generate code. And after that, the code will be generated. Now you can resize the QR code as needed. And once you're done with that, simply click on the share button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on download. And now you can choose the format. For this video, I'm going to choose PNG format. And once you're done with that, simply save the file and your QR code is now ready. And that's it. That's how you can create QR code for Google Forms. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.